Now I got my little finish nailer. Okay. And I already put one in the middle. It's looking good though. And here's what I did on the corner. Alright. Put that little facial board there. That makes it really look good. So the fence is coming along real good. Okay, I measured from the ground around 18 inches. Then I measure the next one, 28 inches. And then I measure the next one, 24 inches. And so I went that way. It's the fence goes along with the ground. Okay, if I would have made it completely level all the way across it, it wouldn't look right, because you'd have the fence would get more away from the the ground on one end and be real close to the ground on another. And one thing I did, this is not to keep anything out, it's just for, like, privacy in my backyard. So I come off the ground a little bit, and that way the grass is not rotting in the bottom. So anyway, just keeping you up to date on my project. I'll let you know a little bit when I get her more closer to done. Alright, see you in a minute. Well, I just made this video for fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you on my next little adventure. This was sure a fun project. God bless you. See you later.